National Weather Service in Tampa, Florida has issued a flood warning for the Peace River at Bartow from late Sunday night until further notice. At 4 p.m. Friday, the stage was 7.1 feet. Moderate flooding is forecast. Flood stage is 8 feet. The river is forecast to rise above flood stage by Monday morning and continue to rise to near 9.7 feet by Wednesday early afternoon. Additional rises are possible thereafter. Impact, at 8 feet, private roads downstream flood. Flood history, this crest compares to a previous crest of 9.7 feet on March 20th, 1960. Do not drive cars through flooded areas. Stay tuned to developments by listening to NOAA Weather Radio. The latest forecast can also be found on weather.gov/Tampa Bay. You can follow NWS Tampa Bay on Twitter and like us on Facebook.